No, yours is so perfect right now.
Daddy,
See, look, Mila.
cooks.
Oh, nice. See, it's starting to get chunky. It's already getting chunky. So that's when you know it's starting to activate into slime.
Mine is, guys.
So honestly, this is for the parents and also for the kids. You don't have to spend a whole bunch of money on slime kits and the activator that costs $15. You can just use borax. You can use a mixture of borax and contact lens solution, which you probably have at home.
And guys, what was the thing you called again that you use this one to?
Hmm?
The food that you use this one to?
The food?
Yeah.
What you mean? The food that you use with slime? Hmm.
So ugly.
Just mix it up. What? Oh my, yeah, it's gross. That's kind of the fun of slime. If you like gross and slimy, there we go, girls. The girls have got full slime happening now.
It's not mine.
And you can see, and mine, I'm like the slime preparer. It gets chunkier and chunkier. Oh, that one. That's okay. It's the overhead.
Guys,
We don't care about
guys, if you don't like making slime, just don't make it. But if you want to try
I
one,
love doing this.
but if you want, but if you don't,
That's called kneading.
but if you like slime a little bit, just make little. Just get some of your slime. What did you do?
It looks like a giant booger.
Oh my gosh, so it's like what comes from your nose again.
Is that what comes from your nose? We should go to the doctor. Oh,
Guys, look at my slime. I
Dana
love
slime
the
is
color.
awesome, Mila. This is coming together.
Do you like your slime, Daddy?
I love it.
I like mine.